Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use an apple peeler. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have an apple peeler. Now I'll be demonstrating with this specific unit, but most apple peelers will work in the same way, so you can probably take these instructions and apply them to your apple peeler as well. First and foremost, your unit likely has suction cups on the feet, so make sure you push it down so that it's not prone to moving around. This is not required, but it's definitely really helpful. Now with an apple peeler, you can take an apple that looks like this, and you can peel off the skin to make it look like this in a matter of moments, okay? So you can see right here, there are a few things you need to know about. There is an arm that likely will turn it around. Get that nice and pressed down there. So this arm will rotate the rotating disc. This part has a peeling unit on it, and these little spikes here are to hold the apple in place. So what you want to start off doing, and check your user manual to see exactly how to use your specific unit, but it's probably going to be very similar. You want to get the peeling unit down underneath the part that holds the apple. So as you can see right here, the peeling unit is underneath here. It's out of the way of where the apple will be. Now we're gonna take our apple and we're gonna push it where the base is, not where the stem is, but where the bottom of the apple is. We're gonna push that right onto those, carefully right onto those right there. Carefully line it up like that. Push it on nice and gently. You don't want to use too much force, okay? Just like that, nice and gently. The apple is now mounted on the apple peeler unit. Now at this point, we're gonna take the handle, and with this unit, we're gonna turn it clockwise. And that's gonna bring the peeling piece around, and it's gonna go onto the apple, and as we're turning this, the apple will rotate and the peeler will peel off the skin. So check out how cool it is. So check this out, I'm rotating clockwise, okay? Now watch this. It has a force on it that is peeling off the skin, as you can see right there. All right, now I'm gonna go backwards because I'll tell you why. The skin got caught on that one right there. So we're just gonna go, you gotta go a little bit faster basically. All right, so as you can see right there, it did a pretty good job. It did miss a little bit because the skin was caught, so I'm gonna rotate it around again. All right, as you can see, it's gonna go under by itself, and now hopefully we can catch that. All right, there you go. So right now, what we've done is we've peeled the apple. Now usually I would be able to do it on the first try, okay? I'm gonna rotate it around to get this out of the way, and at that point, I'm gonna remove the apple. There's actually a push pin on this, but it's an old unit. This is actually my mother-in-law's apple peeler. That's why it's really old, so this isn't exactly working properly. But the push unit would then remove the apple. As you can see, it does a great job. I'll do it one more time just to demonstrate. So once again, the peeling part is underneath the part where we're mounting the apple. We're gonna carefully mount the apple just like that, very carefully. Turn this clockwise. The faster you go, the better it seems to work pretty much. As you can see, it did miss a little bit, but really you could just tackle that yourself easily. Or if you wanted to, if you really wanted to not do, you could do it a second time. But like I said, now we're gonna take the apple off. As you can see, it just missed a little part, but you know, if the unit was brand new, I'm pretty sure that it wouldn't miss it. It's probably just because it's old that the springing unit isn't working properly, but what you could do at that point is you could just peel it off yourself. Or send it around a second time like I showed you before. But that's it. That is essentially how to use an apple peeler. It's honestly one of the most useful things that you can have if you plan on making apple pies, apple crumble, and doing a lot of baking, just like my mother-in-law does. So that, and my wife as well. They both use this all the time to make some delicious desserts. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.